That is Beans on the left and Little Sumito on the right. And they are here for Christmas. And they are playing. Sumo's not so much playing. Beans is playing. Sumo is serious about that toy. Oh, Beans got it. Beans got it. There they go. Underneath my computer chair where they spend their whole day. They said sweet babies. Be nice, Sumo. Sumo. Beans just gives up. She's so sweet to him. Sumo, quit being so mean. Come on, Beans. Oh, Beans. Sumo. Oh, Beans. Beans and Sumo. Thank you, boo boo.